Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create and manage a point-of-sale session when handling in-store transactions using Invent ERP. Let's get started. From the main menu, navigate to Point of Sales. Here, you'll see your active POS and you can create as many as you need, but for now, go ahead and click New Session to begin. The opening cash control window will appear. This is where you enter the amount of cash currently in the register before starting the session. Once the session starts, you'll see your product categories displayed on the screen. Inside each category, you'll find all the products assigned to it. Choose the products you're selling by simply tapping on them, or you can scan with a barcode. From the touch number pad, you can perform multiple actions to manage your sale. For example, you can tap quantity to increase or adjust the quantity of the selected item. Next, tap on Price to quickly change the price of an individual product. You can also apply discounts on selected items. You can add a customer to the order by selecting from existing records. For advanced order options, tap Options button and here's what you can do. You can add a customer note. This will appear in the receipt. You can also apply a global discount by setting the discount percentage. Next, you can issue a refund on an order and add an internal note or cancel the order. Once all items are added, go ahead and confirm the order. Next, select the payment method. From the touch number pad, you can also edit the payment lines if needed, such as splitting or adjusting the payment amount. If you'd like to generate an invoice with the receipt, just check the box labeled Create Invoice. And that's it, you've successfully created and completed a POS session in Invent ERP, and now you're all set for your next order. Thanks for watching.